In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Buick Regal key fob. Now, if you clicked on this video, you might have a device that looks similar to this, but instead of having 5 buttons, it can have 3 buttons or 4, and some of them also don't have color on this Buick emblem in the middle there. It's just all silver. As long as your device looks like this, don't worry. You can just follow along with me. The process is going to be exactly the same. They're just different versions of the same key fob. You won't need anything special to get this process done. You will just need one CR2032 battery. If you'd like to get one of those online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go check that out if you are interested, and then we can just get right into this. So the first thing we want to do is flip the device over, find this little silver button, and just hold that down while we pull the internal key out. Now we're going to use this key to open the device up. We're just going to put it back inside just a little bit and then pry up. And you don't want to put it too far inside. If you kind of pull the key up, you can see it will hit on a lip inside there. Right about there. You're just going to put the key in just to about there, and then you'll just pry back, and you'll be able to lift this back section of plastic right off. Now let me show you what we were actually doing there so you can get a better sense for how you're going to do it at home. If I put the key in about halfway, it's just inside of this plastic housing. I can pry and bend all I want. It's not going anywhere. You want to be right in this sweet spot so that it's not in that area. It's just right there, about 1/4 of an inch or so in there. So let me just show you this one more time. It's all sealed up. We're just going to put the key in just slightly, just about that much, and just hold the device and pull back. Oops. Just pry a little bit. There we go, and it will click right open. And now we have access to the battery. So you can just try to pull this out with your fingernail. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. You could also use a pencil, pen, anything that can just get under the battery so you can lift it up. And go ahead and dispose of your old battery and take your new CR2032 battery and make sure you are putting the positive side face down. So you want to click it into place, and you want that plus sign facing down. And we can finally just click everything back together and put our key back in there, and we are all set. Hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know just by giving this video a like or by letting me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back to this YouTube channel where we have tutorials for pretty much every device from every make or model you could think of. And you can also get all of that information and more directly at our website, fobbattery.com.